You may have tried gelato with plenty of sweet toppings, but have you ever tried gelato with olive oil? Grab your Napolina extra virgin olive oil and get ready to create your own gelato con olio evo. A taste sensation that has become increasingly popular in Italy, likely originating in Tuscany, where extra virgin olive oil has been used in desserts for centuries. But why, you may ask? Well, the smooth, peppery and unique fruity notes of extra virgin olive oil pair perfectly with the rich, silky sweet texture of Italian gelato. It truly is a must-try. To begin, add 3 scoops of homemade or shop-bought Italian vanilla gelato to a sundae glass, followed by the star of the show, a generous drizzle of Napolina extra virgin olive oil. Then top with a sprinkling of sea salt flakes. And to really bring the flavors together, add a few young basil leaves for the finishing touch. And then dig into this delicious Italian dessert. Bellissimo!